video, I will show you how to make garlic pork, and the ingredients are very simple. We need pork, garlic, vegetable oil, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sugar. And then we just need this part. We can add pork first and then wait until the pork is cooked, and then we can add garlic and other things. Let's do it. We add vegetable oil and pork in the pot, and then wait until the pork is cooked. And then we'll add garlic and flavor with soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sugar. Ta-da! This is how the garlic pork looks like, and it's ready to be served. And finally, this is garlic pork with sticky rice. So